Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel 95% Plus Prep. In this video, I will give you a short intro about my website 95% Plus Prep. This website includes Python programming language topic-wise MCQs, which helps you to clear your concepts about Python programming language. It also contains some important programs which one should know who learn Python. Let us take a topic-wise brief intro. In this page, what is Python, who developed it, in which year it developed, and some more basic questions are included. Next, go to the page Variables. In this page, rules of naming of variables and how to declare multiple variables are discussed. Now move to next page, Data types. In this page, kinds of building data types and its examples and how we find data types of a variable is included. Now move to next page, operators. In this page, how many types of operators with definitions and examples and also with their properties are discussed. Now move to next page, list. In this page, how to create list, its properties like is list items are ordered, changeables, and allow duplicate values, and how we can access it, how can we remove it, and some important methods of list are discussed. Now move to next page, which is of tuples. In this page, how to create tuples and its properties and how we can access it, and some important methods of tuples are included. Now move to next page, sets. Now in this page we learn how to create sets, its properties, and some methods of sets are included. Now move to next page, which is of dictionaries. In this page, we learn how to create dictionaries and properties and how we can access to it, and some important methods of dictionaries are discussed. Now move to next page, which is of if else loop. In this page, what if else and elif keywords are stand, and some examples regarding the keywords are included. Now move to next page, which is of while loop. Now in this page we learn how while loop works and related examples are discussed. Now move to next page, which is of for loop. In this page, how for loop works and some examples of for loops are includes. Now move to next page, which is of some important programs. In this page, we discuss programs of searching like binary search, linear search, sorting programs like selection sort, merge sort, bubble sort, tower of Hanoi, sum of even odd numbers, temperature conversion, Fibonacci number, factorial of a number, even or odd number, large amongst three numbers, and set operation like difference, union, intersection, symmetric difference of two sets, and TikTok to game which you should play with your friends. You can navigate it through between pages through the menu bar or also from the this previous and next buttons. You can give your valuable feedback through this feedback form where simply write your name, email, and how you rate the website and things we need to improve in this website. Link of website is given below in description. If you like this video, hit the like button and you find it useful, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.